What if you go Erasmus second time with your first Erasmus friends and make the new ones? Literally, this is how it looks like. It was teaching internship and we went different schools in Spain, Valencia. And these are the moments from our first internship school.
My name is Candela. My name is Maria. My name is Blanca. My name is Claudia. My name is Ana. My name is Paco.
The other one was in one of the remote village called Characo. And our lovely driver Jose drive us there every day for about 1 hour. Our group name was Sleepers or the Sleepers because we generally wear slippers to work and we sleep a lot along the way. Yet some of us did more than just sleeping too. When we get there, our morning routine was like this. During free time, we were happy to observe them because we had so many talented students. Including full potential sleepers too, like their teachers. And this is what happens when they gain energy. We all know that they adore us. By the way, these were the teachers' talent when they forgot their snack at home. And yes, free time is kind of snack time too. After the snack, we had a pool time. Or the stadium time.
Oh! Abu, no!
Or sometimes the artwork time.
Abu, what are you doing exactly? Rafaela, Ella, come and make the pool. It's so funny.
At the end of the day, we needed to collect the chairs. Yet, we were lucky enough to not collect them once. Guys, today no chair?
No chair.
No chair?
No? Abu,
we are so happy because no chair to collect today. So yeah. Bye bye. After the tiring workday, we've generally enjoyed the sunny Spain like this.
It's video.
Wait, patatas bravas.
Video.
Wow! Calan del Morash.
Video would be better.
Come on! Wow!
I like speak up that big people that Sayas. March Sayas. Okay.
Que pasean por la feria, los tenemos aquí.
Video.
Guys, last day of the work, what do you think? No, what do you think?
Day.
We'll miss you, Sharako.
Sherato. Good morning. Good morning,
Good
Jose.
morning. Yes, finally.
How are you?
Fine. And you guys?
Fine, fine.
Yes, Malagi, yes. Yes. This is our last road trip. Look at this.
Hola. We should speak Spanish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hola, por favor.
Just this. Just hola.
Excuse me.
broma, claro.
What?
So, how do you feel about Jerago ending?
Okay.
Let's say one word each one. Start Abu. Only one word? Just a sentence, I mean. Okay.
Just a
Abu,
sentence.
how you feel?
Yes, finally, the last day I swim perfectly and nobody disturbed me, and it was perfect. Students was perfect.
And we forgot
And-
to bring our bikini.
What?
We forgot to bring our bikini so we could swim with you.
Okay, you.
Well, today is the last day of Jerago. I will miss this road.
Xeraco.
Whatever. I will miss this road with Jose, the best driver.
Show him.
He's the best driver. Every day drives us at work for 1 hour, go and go back. I will miss sleepers and sleeping at Abu doing whoosh and waking up.
But
Exactly that, like this. Say it more.
Today our last day in Xeraco. Yeah. And
Fortunately. Beach.
not unfortunately.
Yeah.
And I will miss Abu, Rafael, Andrea, Summer.
Rafael Tormo.
Yeah.
Rafael
And
Tormo.
our Jose, and
Our
Joan,
driver.
and Maria, and the children. That's all.
That's all. The other Jose?
What about another one?
No way to another Jose.
We only have one Jose.
Just this Jose.
One Jose is the best.
Which Jose was it?
One the best, one the worst.
No.
Like this.
And Malagia.
I will say it again. It's our last day in Xeraco. I will miss the children, some of them. And you.
Future Malaga.
Future Malagas, of course.
Yes.
And the two black girls. I'm not racist. I'm just trying to explain which of them. I will miss farting in the car without without hearing of me.
You will
I
miss
will
your
this
contract.
road.
You will miss your contract between Ford Company.
Yeah, it was just about 1 month, but I got so many experiences with you.
It was perfect sharing this
Besos.
sleepers
Okay.
car with you.
Yeah.
Jose,
Besos.
don't look at
Jose,
camera
no,
and
Jose ahora.
speak.
I will miss you all guys. Some kids too.
Which kids?
All
The big ones.
the small ones.
Why?
Only the small.
Why not the big?
Because the big they don't behave well. Bad behavior for them. And I hope to see you all in your countries.
Wow.
Malagas.
Adios, Malaga.
Come to Turkmenistan.
Kazakhstan, heard of
Kipro.
Central Asia.
Απελάτες στην Κύπρο να πάμε θάλασσα.
I will come and marry you.
Turkmenistan ng Turkmenistan.
Bye. Okay, the video.
Bye.